Hi, so I'm going to show you how to do a single crochet today. So if you have your hook and yarn, do a few chain stitches. If you're not sure how to do them, go to a previous video I've got and it'll show you exactly how to do some chain stitches. But when you've got your chain stitches, come on back through to do the single crochet, which is a US term, by the way. If you're doing the UK terminology, then it's a double crochet. Just be aware that if you're ever watching any UK videos, double crochet is the equivalent to a single US crochet. If you're not sure what type of video you're watching, then one way to know is that the UK does not have a single crochet terminology. So if you're hearing single crochet, you know you're going by US terminologies. So I'm going to use US terminologies because I feel like most videos are in US terminologies just to make it more simpler for the majority of people, but I will also let you know the UK terminology as well. So when you've got your chain stitch, if you look at the loops, you've got one loop there and one loop there. So we never go into this first loop. When you're coming back along the chain with any stitch, you never go back into that first loop. It's always the second, maybe the third, but I use the second. Okay, so we're going to go into this second loop, not that one, that one. So we're going to make sure the yarn is at the back of our hook, because all the stitches you need the yarn to be at the front of the hook, but for a single crochet we need it that way of the hook. So we're going to pop our hook through that loop I've just showed you, bring the yarn over, and we're just going to guide the yarn through that loop like so. So we now have two loops on our hook, and then we're going to guide the yarn through both loops, and that is a single crochet. So I'll show you it again, because when you're first starting off it can be really complicated. So you want the yarn towards the back of your hook, going into the next loop. So you already have that one loop on, so going into the next loop, we're gonna yarn over and just guide it through the first loop, and then yarn over and guide it through both loops. I'll do it again. Pop it into the next loop, yarn over and pull through. So you've got two loops on your hook, and then yarn over and pull through both loops. Okay, so pop your hook in. You don't want these chain stitches to be too tight as well, because you'll struggle getting your hook through any of these loops. That's why you need quite a loose tension, but not too loose. Yarn over, pull through, two loops, yarn over and pull through both loops. It becomes muscle memory after a while. Yarn over, pull through, so your two loops, yarn over and pull through both loops. And that is your single crochet. So if you have any questions at all, then let me know in the comments below. If you're not sure about anything, or if you're struggling with anything, then let me know in the comments and I'll see if I can help you, or if I can do a video to show you how to help you also. So that is your single crochet. Also, your first row will probably start turning like mine has there, but as you come back and do more along the top, it straightens out. So that is absolutely fine. So that is your single crochet. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, then please subscribe here to my channel and you'll get all my latest uploads. You can click on my latest video here, and here's a playlist with all my beginners videos on. Thanks for watching.